Do you ever feel the need to make a mani just so that you feel more tough and BA and empowered on your channel than normal? Yeah, that's what we're doing today with this plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. I'm starting out with the Orly Bonder base coat. I'm really liking this base coat a lot. The more I use it, the more I like it. And I am trying to keep my nail polish on longer. I'm trying to better plan my manis and stuff so that I can wear my actual looks a little bit longer. Because as much as I enjoy creating content for this channel, and I very much do, I love it, it makes my heart happy, I also sometimes want to wear the stuff I make. Sometimes I make it and I'm like, oh, this is so pretty. And then it pops off 2 days later because I used to peel off base coat. So while, yes, I have it immortalized, I would actually like to wear them and enjoy them. So I've been working a little bit harder at doing that and trying to keep my nails healthier so that I can do very pretty manis on my natural nails, which has always been what I do on this channel. Every once in a while I'll tinker into acrylic or gel or something like that, but at the end of the day, this channel's about natural nails and natural nail art. So it may not be for everybody, but it is for me. I am in love with this color. This is from I Love Nail Polish. I don't have the name handy here, but it was in my last haul video that I did. So if you haven't checked that out, you should take a look at it. It's pretty cool. I think there's some good finds in there. And I actually ordered a couple new plates yesterday that I'm very excited about. The bonsai tree one from Maniology and the one of the carnivorous plants. Maniology has had a lot of cool stuff come out lately. I just didn't order it all. Let me tell you why. First, I don't order everything that any company comes out with because I can't afford it, because I pay for all this out of my pocket. I'm not some rich YouTuber by any means. So when it comes to like new launches and that kind of stuff, like I did with this polish, I really liked a couple out of their I Love Nail Polish Christmas collection. I really liked a couple other loose ones. I don't want to spend, you know, 20 bucks at once and then another $20 for freaking shipping for 2 polishes. So what I do is I wait until I find enough of something I like and I put it in my cart, and then I'll just buy them here and there. I have a huge collection already. And when it comes to a lot of these plates and things, like, I'm going to buy what's unique to my collection versus something similar to what I already have. The Mani by Me box is the one exception. I do that to review for you guys and girls. So for me, that one, whatever comes out, comes out. And if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. But I like having them, so I go ahead and pick those up. Now, this plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. I do have a discount code with them. It's JILLIES, just like Maniology. It'll all be in the links below for you. You can use this on the Canadian website. I don't think it works on any other website. It's just for the actual Clear Jelly website. I love this plate. It has sugar skulls on it, you know, for the Day of the Dead. It has anatomically correct looking skulls. It kind of has scary skulls for Halloween. It's a very goth inspired plate. It's got roses and lace and all kinds of fun stuff on it. I've used this plate multiple times in multiple videos across this channel, and I love it. I keep reaching for it, so that should tell you something about it. It's a pretty good plate. And what I wanted to do is just make this big graphic, I have skulls on my hot pink nails in your face look, and I love it. Sometimes you just need something that makes you go, yes! And that was the mood I was in. You know, a lot of times I'll plan out my videos well in advance, but sometimes you just got to go with the art monster inside of you. And if the art monster says, I need to feel like a tough chick today and wear skulls and thorns and hot pink, then that's what you do. So I really went in with just like bam white from Maniology, like purest of pure white, not even coconut. And you know coconut's my favorite, because I wanted it to just really pop out like, yes, these are skulls. And then I used this little flower design and went back over that with black too. So it's kind of, you know, this white flower starkness with the skull, black and white starkness on top of that hot pink. It just pops out. It pops. And when you're in the sunlight, I have it on TikTok where I had it in the sun, and it's just flaring hollow all over the place with these skulls. I love it. So a lot of fun for me. Very cute design, I think. Something I would definitely wear again. Something I would play with other things. Like I have some silver spike studs. Those would have been fun with this too. And then I did something I haven't done in a very long time, and I used the Maniology No Smudge Top Coat on top of it. Now, I found out a while back, but I was still feeling a little salty and didn't want to try it, that you can just paint this over the actual images themselves, not the whole nail, and then it won't chip your polish. Because the problem I was having was if I put this down and then put a top coat on it like I'm doing now, it would chip. It would start peeling and chipping just like instantly if you put it on the whole nail. But if you just put it on the design and seal it in, you don't have that problem. And it didn't smudge the black. So I'm not going to 100% endorse it yet. I'm going to say I have found a way to make it usable. And so far I like it. So I might start putting this in the routine. We shall see. We shall see. But overall, I loved it. Look at that hollow flare behind it in this photo. Do you see all the sparkles? Do you see the sparkles? Sparkles. I love it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you would do something like this. Just in your face, skulls, graphic kind of thing. And if you want to watch another video that's similar to this or where I use this plate, you can click in the upper right hand corner now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.